Dear students, in this period we will move on to the second part of this chapter, volumes. At first, volume of a cuboid. You know, a cuboid will have a length, breadth or width, and height. So let's consider this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. And the volume of the cuboid is length times breadth times height, or LBH. Similarly, you know what is the volume of a cube? It is side times side times side, which is a times a times a cube. We have to note here, the unit of area is always power 2. It is the area of a rectangle of side 3 and 2 centimeter. It will be 6 centimeter square. So we can say unit of area, any type of area, let it be surface area, curved surface area, or simply a 2D shape, unit of area will be square units. Examples: meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square, and so on. Now, what about the unit of volume? We have 3 sides, centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, so it will be cubic units. Meter cube or centimeter cube, millimeter cube, and so on. And sometimes you may also have to convert meter to liters. And that conversion also you have to keep in your mind. If you have a tank, a water tank of 1 meter length, 1 meter width, and 1 meter height, so which is a cubical tank, such a cube, the volume will be 1 meter cube, because 1 times 1 times 1, 1 meter cube. And you know how much water can it hold? It can hold 1000 liters of water. This is a basic unit of conversion that we have to apply in our daily life. And also in the exercise coming on, we need this. So conversion is 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. Let's see the question. A matchbox measures 4 times 22.5 times 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of the packet of 12 such boxes? So first we will see what is the volume of one box, which is the shape of cuboid. So volume of cuboid is LBH, which is equal to 4 times 2.5 times 1.5, which is 10 times 1.5, 15 centimeter cube is for one matchbox. So therefore 12 boxes will have a volume of 15 times 12, which is 180, don't forget the unit, centimeter cube. Very easy. Question 2. A cuboidal tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. Make sure all the units are of the same. How many liters of water can it hold? See, this is very important, the conversion. So first of all, we will find the volume of the cuboid again, which is LBH, which is equal to 6 times 5 times 4.5, 30 times 4.5, which is 135 meter cube. Now, each 1 meter can be changed to 1000. So 135 can be changed to 135,000 liters. Therefore, it can hold 135,000 liters of water. Moving on to question 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. So we have the length and the width or the breadth. Now we have to find the height. We have volume of a cuboid is equal to LBH, and here length is 10 meters, breadth is 8 meters, height is missing, and the answer is 380 cubic meter cube. H is equal to 380 divided by 8 times 10. Therefore, H is equal to 4.75 meters. That's the height. Therefore, the height of the vessel is equal to 4.75 meters. Next one, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, and 3 meter high. All the units are the same at the rate of 30 per meter cube. So we have to find how many meter cube is the total pit. Volume of a cuboid is equal to LBH. 8 times 6 times 3, which is 144 meter cube. Cost per meter cube is equal to rupees 30. Therefore, total cost will be 144 multiplied by 30, which is rupees 4,320. Let's see the next one. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank. So B is the question. We have the volume. This can be written as 50 meter cube because 1000 liter is 1 meter cube. So 50,000 will be 50 meter cube, where the length is 2.5 and the height is 10 meters. So once again, volume of cuboid is LBH, and we have the length 2.5 times breadth is missing times 10 is equal to 50 meter cube. So B is missing. B is equal to 50 divided by 2.5 times 10 is 25. So breadth is equal to 2 meters. Therefore, breadth of the tank Let's see question 6. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. For each person, it needs 150 on an average. It has a tank measuring 20 meter times 15 times 6 meters. First, we have to find volume of cuboid, which is equal to LBH. We have all the dimension, 20 times 15 times 6, which is equal to 1,800 meter cube. Now, which therefore, volume of the tank is 18 lakh liters. Now, each person needs 150 liters of water per day. That the water last is equal, it will be 18 lakh divided by 4,000 people, and each person needs 150 liters of water. So let us try to simplify. 1, 2, 3. 180 divided by 15 is 12, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it will last for 3 days only. Question 7. A godown measures 40 times 25 times 15 meters. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5, 1.25, and 0.5 that can be stored in the godown. Number of wooden crates that can be stored is equal to the volume of the godown divided by volume of divided by volume of each crate, which is equal to 40 times 25 times 15 divided by 1.5 times 1.25 times 0.5. At first, it's always easy to get out of this decimal from the denominator. We have, after the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we can multiply numerator and denominator by 10,000 so that we don't have decimal in the denominator now. Divided by 15 times 125 times 5. This will give us 5. This is 25, 8, 15 and 15 get cancelled. So 80,000 divided by 5. Which will be 16,000 crates can be stored. Next question. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? So first we have to find what is the volume of the large cube. Volume of cube is equal to side times side times side, which is 12 times 12 times 12. This is to be divided into 8 small cubes. Therefore, volume of each small cube is equal to 12 times 12 times 12 divided by 8, which is 216 centimeter cube. So volume of the cube, we know this is a cube. A cube is 216. So taking cube root on both the sides, we'll get each side is 6 centimeter, because 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 is 216. Therefore, the side of new cube is equal to 6 centimeter. And we need to find the ratio. Ratio of surface area of large cube is to small cube. Now we have to try to recall surface area of a cube, which is 6a square. So 6 times 12 times 12 divided by 6 times, small cube has a side of 6, so 6 times 6. So we can simplify them, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. So it will be 2 times 2, 1 times 1. So 4 is to 1. Ratio of large cube to small cube is 4 is to 1. Now let's see the last question. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide. So we have the height and the breadth is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. So in 1 hour, the length is 2 kilometers. So we have to take care of two things. This is for 1 hour. A river can be considered as a tank for a moment, where the length is 2 kilometers, which is 2,000 meters for 1 hour. The length that water moves in 1 hour is 2,000 meters. The depth is 3 meters and the width is 40 meters. So first of all, we have to apply volume of cuboid is length times breadth times height, which is 2000. Remember, kilometer to meter. 2000 times 40 times 3, which is equal to 8 times 3 is 24. 2,40,000 meter cube in 1 hour. So we have to calculate in a minute. So therefore, water that falls in 1 minute is 2,40,000 divided by 60, because our hour has 60 minutes. So 2,40,000 divided by 60. So it will be 4,000. So 1 minute will give us 4,000 meter cube of water, or we can write, which is also equal to liters of water. This is the amount of water that the river can hold in 1 minute for this given distance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.